Hello and welcome back with another video. In this video we will be solving another problem related to algebraic expressions, class 9 algebra. We have 5 into x minus 1 is equal to 4 into x plus 1. We will be solving for x. What we will do, we will simplify it first. 5 into x, 5x minus 5. We multiply 4 into x plus 4. So these are the simple problems we are starting. We will combine these x terms, 5x minus 4x. Similarly 4 plus 5, this minus when comes out on right side it will become positive, and similarly it's plus 4x with minus 4x. Here comes out x is equal to 9. So in this way, this is the first problem we have solved. We will be solving another problem. First we will write problem statement, which is 3p minus 5 is equal to 4 into p plus 9. Now we will simply apply the same process we have seen in this problem. We'll first multiply this coefficient in the inner side of the problem. 3p into minus 5, 15. Similarly 4 into p, 4p plus 36. 3p minus 4p, this 15 will become positive, this will become minus p. 36 plus 6 plus 5, 11. This we will combine here, 51. So this minus p will be minus 51. Sorry, here you can see value of p. We will solve another problem for this exercise, in which we are having 4 into t plus 1 is equal to 9 into t minus 2. We will solve for t, or we will find value of t from this equation. Similarly, same process, we will first multiply coefficients, then 90 minus 18. We'll combine coefficient terms, minus 18 minus 4. This comes out to be minus 22. This comes out 5. Minus will be cancelled with minus. T is equal to 22 by 5. So these were 3 problems with same procedure and same system, in which we have find the values of coefficients. So that's all from this video, and follow for more for next video. Thank you.